Okay. So in last lecture, we have covered the mechanical testing methods for the plastic. Okay. And in this lecture, we'll cover the types of additive polymerization. Okay. So in last lecture, we have covered the homopolymerization. Okay. So this is very simple. Once again, we'll repeat. You guys have written it. So what is homopolymerization? It consists of continuous chain of the same monomer. Okay. So just we will take the back view within 1 minute. Okay. Initially, we have covered the what is meaning of polymerization. After that, we have covered a monomer. After that, we have covered a polymer. Okay. So what is meaning of polymerization? Okay. What is meaning of polymerization? Formation of polymer from the monomer. The whole process we are calling it as a polymerization. Just we have three words: monomer, polymer, and polymerization. We have three words. Okay. So formation of polymer from the monomer, this whole process is called as a polymerization. So that's it. Okay. After that, we have covered the two types of major methods of polymerization. First is condensation and another is addition. Okay. Today we will see the types of additive polymerizations. Okay. In which first is homopolymerization. It continuous chain of same monomer. If you see here, suppose we have N type of monomer and another is M type of monomer. Then just a connection of N or M in a continuous form. This is a homopolymerization. Okay. So next is give in that this is A and this is B. Okay. Give the heading B copolymerization. Give the heading, write it with me. Give the heading copolymerization. Okay. In this case, there are two polymer chains. First one is random type. Random means if suppose there is a N and M polymer is there, or monomer is there, or we can say polymer also. Okay, then N, M, whatever. There is no continuous chain or there is no proper sequence. Just first is random type. Okay, this is a subtype of copolymerization. Write it. In this case, write it with me. Give the B copolymerization. In this case, there are two polymer chains. Write first one random type and write this is a example. This is example. Random means there is no proper sequence. Okay, there is no any fixed phenomena. Okay, the polymer or monomer, they will make the connection to each other in a random way. M will come first, after that N will come, after that 2, 3 M will come. So whatever it may be as per the random system. Okay. So this is also simple. I hope you guys have completed it. Okay. So go for the second one, alternating type. Go for second. In that B copolymerization. In that B, we have first is a random type and second one is alternative type. Alternative means M like that. Okay. Fixed alternative. If suppose there is X and Y, polymer will be there. Then X will come at first. After that X, Y will come. After that X, Y. So like that. Write it. Alternating type and give this example. Okay, give the C type block polymerization. Block polymerization. In this type, polymer resulting from straight polymerization coupled together in the block. Just a block. If suppose there M and N polymers are there, just a block, in a block. So suppose 3M having one block, 4N having one block. So they will connect it to like that. Okay. 3 polymer block, 4 polymer block, 5 polymer block. Just they will get connected to each other in a block, not a single unit, bias unit, not for that. Okay. So give the heading C, block polymerization. Okay. Whatever we are just studying now, this is just a material and how the monomers, polymers in the plastic story, how they are connected to each other, related to that. Okay. In metallurgy, you guys are studying how the particles they are connecting to each other. Okay. So same here, we are studying how the monomers, polymers in the plastic history, how they are connected to each other. Okay, this is somewhat chemistry part, how the bonding is happening in the plastic material. Okay, suppose if bonding will be the good, then the plastic material having the higher strength, so like that. Okay. Complete the C, block polymerization. Just a complete C only. After that, we will discuss the D and we will write it. Just to go for one by one. Okay, roll number 9, Adesh Bankor. Is it completed? Type C is completed or not? Roll number 21.
Completed, sir.
Okay. So go for type D, graft polymerization. So this is also very simple. These have a structure which differ from the block polymerization or polymer, and are formed from the M and N multimers. Okay, just remember this word, multimers. All groups ensure the formation of reactive radicals on the main chain. Okay. And suppose if you are observing here, there is M type of monomers are connected here. After that, there is one multimer. This is called as multimer, and the multimers consist of n number of grafts. Means n number of grafts. What is meaning of graph? Graph means there is a different monomer which are connected and form the single bond. Here also, here also there is a multimer. Okay, means graft polymerization is nothing but it is a combination of homopolymer and the graft. Okay, here homopolymer and here is graft. After that homopolymer, here is a graft. Okay, so like this. Okay, so this is a, don't post your roll number in the chat box because I'm not considering this. What just you give the attendance at the time of while you attending taking the attendance. Okay, now it is not necessary. Okay, so this is about the graft polymerization. Once again, I will discuss graft means what is meaning of graft. Okay, graft is a combination of homopolymerization method and the graft. Here is, if you see, there is the MMM. This is homopolymerization method. After that, there is big M we have mentioned. What is big M? It is a multimer. Okay, what is multimer? Consist of n number of graphs. N number of graphs means there is a n number of single species monomers. And again here is M means same specimen. So it is a combination of both. Okay. So it is also simple, not a difficult. So give the heading D, write a graft polymerization. And write this, complete the D. Take a 2-minute time and complete it. Okay. Is it completed? Anybody please? Madanji, is it completed? Roll number second.
Yes, sir.
Is it completed or not? Hello. Sudarshan. Sudarshan Mari. More.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So go for the next one. Next, give the next heading: condensation, polymerization. Condensation, polymerization. Okay. So condensation, polymerization. Give the next heading. So last part is over. Now give the next heading: condensation, polymerization. Okay. So this is just a we can say somewhat chemical related portion. Okay. So here also we have R&D lab. In that R&D lab, we are uh, proceeding condensation polymerization. Okay, we have uh, somewhat 3-4 different chemicals are available. Just we are adding them. We are somewhat processing on them, and we are making the acrylic plastic here in our lab. And after that, making the acrylic plastic, we are checking the strength of that plastic. I thought some students they are doing the project like this. Okay, so some this is also similar to this. And also one more thing is also just we are manufacturing the micro channel for health purposes. There are some in last year some students they have completed this project, uh, the manufacturing of micro channels. So like that we are manufacturing the micro channels which are like required in the medical stream. Just what we are doing, just we are making this plastic using the condensation polymerization. Okay, so like that. And again, micro micro examples. This is where the condensation polymerization we are using in the micro product. Okay, what is micro products means? Whatever the we somewhat small plastic products we are, whenever I think in medical field we are using it maximum time. Okay, so that part we are manufacturing by using the condensation polymerization. Okay, what is the meaning of? In this case, benzoic acid monomer combine with ethanol to give ethanol, benzoate and water. So this is the simple reaction. Okay, in chemistry also you guys have studied. In here also, just we are just combining benzoic acid with ethanol. Okay, condensation polymer. For the case of condensation polymer, you guys have to remember two words: benzoic acid and ethanol. Just if anybody will ask you what is condensation polymer, you guys have to just remember two words: benzoic acid and ethanol. We are just combining benzoic acid with ethanol to get output, product. So that's it. Okay, just this is the process. We'll just start. Okay. Okay, sorry for disturb. Okay, so just clear this. I thought you guys have understood the condensation polymerization. You guys have to remember two words: benzoic acid and ethanol. Just a combination of these two, we are getting the output product, and the whole process we are calling it as a condensation polymerization. Okay. So vacuum processing or geotropic distillation may be employed to remove the condensation product such as S2 to obtain higher degree of polymerization. Okay. So here just reaction. This is benzoic acid, and it is this we are combined with ethanol. Just we are ethyl benzoate plus water. So this is the reaction. Just you guys have to remember this reaction. Okay. So just for the condensation polymerization. So this is very simple. Okay. Just remember the two words what I have told you. You will get remember the condensation polymerization. So that's it. Okay. So give the heading condensation polymerization. Give the heading and write these three sentences. So we'll go next. Write it fast. Roll number 6. Is it
Yes,
under?
sir. Yes, sir.
It is simple or it is somewhat difficult?
It's easy, sir.
Huh?
Easy.
Okay. Roll number 7. Roll number 7. Roll number 50. Roll number 47.
Yes, sir.
Is it simple or difficult?
It is very simple, sir. No problem.
Okay. Okay. Is it completed? Okay, complete this page. Write this whole page. Write it properly. Is it completed? Is it completed? Reply fast. Okay. So go for the next point. Applications of plastic. Okay. So what are the different applications of plastic? Okay. Means in which sector, which grade, which plastic grade we are using. Okay. Because we have different sectors, farm, agriculture sector, industry sector, medical sector, textile sector. Okay. So in which sector, which type of, which grade of plastic we are using. So this is the application of plastics. Okay. First one, polyester. PES, we can call it as a PES. Fibers for making fibers, and in the textile, we are using polyester. Okay. Second grade, polyethylene terephthalate. Phthalate. Okay. That is okay. So just we are using it for Coca-Cola, Sprite, or different bottles or jars. We are using in the daily life for drinking water purposes. So for such cases, we are using the polyethylene plastic. Okay. So okay. So next, third one, polyethylene, wide range of inexpensive market bags and plastic bottle also. Okay. So in market we are using different plastic bags. So this is also we are manufacturing by polyethylene. Next, high density of polyethylene. Just low. This is low density polyethylene we are using in market bags, and high density. This is for bottles having high density, or we can say uh, big grain. No, sorry. What we can say? There is another word is with us. So I am not remembering, but this is a high density. Okay. So HDP plastics generally they are not dissolved, and but whatever the small LDP they are easy to dissolve. Okay. So that's it. Okay. So these are the initially write it for give the heading application of plastics. Initially give the heading. Give the heading. My screen is visible.
No, sir.
Okay.